Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Air Zoo. If you ever visited the Air Zoo and gone to our Flyby Museum gift store, you might have noticed we sell this freeze-dried ice cream, also known as astronaut's ice cream. It's a very popular and yummy snack found in museum gift stores all over the world. But does it live up to its name? Did astronauts actually eat this ice cream in space? Well, no, not really. During the Apollo missions, most of the food was freeze-dried. Food was quickly frozen, placed in a vacuum chamber to remove all moisture, and packaged. Freeze-drying locks in the food's nutrition and taste qualities and allows the food to be stored without refrigeration. These are beef sandwiches we have in the Air Zoo collection, and these were made by the Whirlpool Corporation for the Apollo program. And these went through the freeze-drying process. At over 50 years old, these beef sandwiches should still be edible. But they're important historical artifacts and therefore should not be eaten. The Apollo program had over 70 freeze-dried food items for astronauts to choose from during their missions, including ice cream. You can see this variety of food when checking out the crew menus, which were included in the Apollo press kits. Food ranged from full meals such as chicken and gravy to treats like sugar cookie cubes and the extremely popular bacon squares. These squares were so popular that Apollo 7 astronaut Walter Cunningham said, and I quote, "Happiness is a package of bacon squares." The only proof we have of freeze-dried ice cream making it on board an Apollo mission was Apollo 7, which listed vanilla ice cream as the dessert for days 2, 6, and 10. Although bacon square enthusiast Walter Cunningham, who was on board that mission, doesn't actually recall eating any. After Apollo, freeze-dried ice cream was replaced by, well, normal ice cream. And normal ice cream has been eaten on the Skylab missions, on Space Shuttle, and on the International Space Station. But freeze-dried ice cream like this remains a tasty and fun little snack you can enjoy right here on Earth. If you want to try some freeze-dried treats like fruit or candy or ice cream, then check out the selection we have on sale at the Flyby Museum gift store. You can visit in person at the Air Zoo or online at airzoostore.org.